Fisher Paykel's new column refrigerators and freezers are also equipped with Sabbath mode. First, we're going to unlock the control panel by holding down the compartment or lock button. You'll see the little lock indicator up top. Now I'm going to select compartment, colder, and alarm mute, and I'm going to hold that combination together for 3 seconds. The unit is now in Sabbath mode. This will be in Sabbath mode for up to 80 hours unless it is interrupted with the same combination of buttons. It's also important to note that in the event of a power outage, this column, as well as our other refrigerators, will remember that it was in Sabbath mode, so it won't boot back up into live mode. It will go back to Sabbath mode as previously selected until it's interrupted.